Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I start this pattern, and this is a column wise pattern because in each column's number constantly repeat in an alternative way. 0 and 1 constantly repeat in an alternative way column wise. So we used nested for loop to create this pattern, and nested for loop is a loop in which outside for loop inside another for loop, that is called nested for loop. So firstly we create two variable that is used for outer and inner for loop. We declare I and j, and I is a variable that is used for outer for loop, and j is also a variable that is used for inner for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we take three parameter in the outer for loop. Firstly we initialize I equals to 0 and check condition if I less than equals to less than 5, and I plus plus I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and we initialize j variable equals to 0 and check condition if j less than equals to I, and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we point j variable because this is a column wise pattern, so always we used inner for loop variable to point, and we point j variable and j mod 2. So we always point j mod 2, and modulo operator always return reminder. And outside this in the inner for loop we used backslash and for cursor to the next line. So when you compile this program, it is successfully compiled, there is no error in this program, and when you run this program the above output is shown as below, that is already given in the comment section. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubt related to this pattern you can ask me anytime, and I hope you all are really enjoyed this pattern series from scratch, that is called for beginners.